Hi, my name is Favor. I'm going to walk you through on how to draw icons. Yeah, iconography part 2. So we'll be doing this icon. I already downloaded it from the internet. You can just Google your own and try it out. But for now, watch me as I'm going to draw these icons. Already this icon I'm circling right now. I hope you can see it. I'm not going to draw it because I drew it in the time past in my previous video. So if you want to watch it, go and watch it. Okay, I have it there, iconography part 1. So when you see it, you watch, you see how I did that one. So the rest of others icons here, I am going to draw them now. In the next few minutes we'll be done drawing. I want to show you, we have like 3 ways of drawing these icons, of making them come alive, like being real. We have 2 to 3 ways. So I'm going to show you one of it. The first thing is bitmap to gray. So I'll bitmap to gray and then I'll duplicate it. I'm going to duplicate it. Good. Now I've duplicated the work and I'm going to make it, watch me, I'll go to bitmap and then I'll come over here to mode and I'll click white and black. I hope you're seeing the process. Good. And I'll come here and say line art. Watch, it's getting better. You check it until it's good enough for what you want to use it for. Good. So I want to break this apart. Like if, okay, I'm coming. Let me save this with icons. So okay, so let me make this stop. I'll keep doing it. So I have doubled it several, like no longer only one. So I'm using my shape tool to make each line different from another. Yes, depends on the icon you want to do. So this particular one, you'll be saying, how can this that is bitmap be filled color? On a normal, anything that is being bitmapped is not always allowing you to fill color. Okay, but this one will fill it color. Alright, watch me. I'm going to right click here. When I right click, it fills color. So I'll right click again. It depends on what you're designing. See the color you want to make your work with. Okay, so but the difference is, if I zoom this thing now, it won't be as real as something that is being drawn. I hope you're seeing it. It depends on what you're working on. If it is something that you must make it bold and very big, maybe on a very big full paper, but when it's going to become something that is small, okay, people will not notice that it wasn't actually drawn. Okay, so let me shift this one side. I'm going to draw it. I've shown you one pattern of making these things on your own. So but it's better you learn how to draw them. Okay, so it's better you learn how to draw them. So I'm going to draw on top of this. There's another way of drawing this thing. You draw outside this, you'll be looking at it and you're drawing, but I want to draw inside of it. You've seen the freehand tool I've used. The shortcut is F5. So sorry, let's see. Let me use this base here. Okay, and trace this way. I'm tracing it. There are many ways to draw. You can draw while looking at it. You can trace it the way I'm tracing it. So whichever one you do, for you to get what you want is okay. So after tracing, if the shape is not okay, you can use your shape tool like you saw me doing right now. Okay, you can use your shape tool to do what? To shape it well. So I just use my shape tool to get it done. Okay, so, and I'm going to use circle. I'm going to draw circle here and then make it black, and hold on my shift and click the background itself and do shift page down, shift page down. Let me do it again, shift page down. So let's see what is holding that thing from coming up. Shift page up. Okay, let me group it and see if it won't come up. Okay, don't worry, I'm coming. So let me fill it color first. Okay, it's there. Okay, have you seen it? Is there. So if you draw something and you notice that the shape is not as you want, like I said, use your shape tool to fix it. When you click your shape tool, you go to curve, and then those places you highlighted before going to curve, you press delete and it will straighten the curve, as in it will make the curve good. I highlighted this one and I'm clicking curve, and I'm doing delete. I just hit my delete key. Okay, so mind you, you might do it and it will take us. I didn't do this one because I'm afraid it could make this thing change its shape. If I delete this one, like double clicking, okay, but it's not that bad. I prefer leaving it. So the same thing, I'm going to do this shape for you to give you what you want. The same goes here. Okay, so I will want you to do yours to look very neat, more than mine. Good. Okay, so the next one here, I will be drawing this. Good. And I'll be doing same, but for now I will duplicate this and click here, bring it up a bit, make it bolder. Okay, and then this way. You okay, hope you're getting this. This thing is very, very simple. Like, anybody can do it. Anybody, I mean anybody can do it. So I'll be filling this white and this white also, but it will come up. I want it to come up. I want it to come up. I did shift page up, and I'm going to draw the other one at the back, and I fill it white. Don't mind me, I'm coming. Duplicate my circle, shift page down, hold out the circle and the image, shift page down. We've gotten this one. let's go over to the next one. So if you notice, this thing has to do with jota or calendar. So the last video I made, it was a calendar stuff, but not this one really. So that's why I'm doing this type of one. If it were the other one, I'll not be doing it. Okay, so I'm drawing it. I'm making sure it looks like that. Okay, for now let me fill this black here and remove outline, and then double. Okay, 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 okay. So I'm going to draw this one. So after drawing it, sorry, I'll be drawing this one here. We are making icon. Yo. So I'll delete. I'll fill. So I'm going to draw white here. And I'm going to bring down my circle, and then hold down shift again and click the background. Good. So the next one I'm going to do is this particular one. So I'll be drawing these lines. These lines are very easy to draw. You have many ways to draw it. Let me show you the first one. The first one is this. I'll draw a circle like this. Okay, maybe I should do this outside so that you can see it. And I hold down my shift and drag this. Okay, let me do it. You see this? I'll hold on my mouse, the left mouse point, and hold it down. Seeing the arrow that is there already, then I hold it down. I hold down my shift and drag towards this face, and right click my mouse at once together as I'm holding the left clicking. Okay, and I'll do Ctrl R to repeat the process. Okay, if it has to be many, like there are some globe that have to be made, something like that, but in this case we only have 2 of it like this. Okay, then I'm going to draw this line. I've told you there are many ways to do it. So, and after getting it, I'll duplicate this line, and then I'm going to do 90 degrees turning around here. Okay, hope you can see it. Good. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to shift this to this point and to this point, like duplicating it, and make the line not to cross the border. And I'm going to click here, double click at the center, drag it, and come here and do convert to curve, and go and delete. Well, remember, you must delete the node, not what you drew. I've double click again and I've gotten a node, so I push it backwards. I do this, and I did not click outside. It is still highlighted. You see, it's still highlighted, so I'm deleting the node that I created. Okay, so it's now curvy. If you cannot get it exactly, you just adjust. Okay, the same thing goes here. Adjustment, the same thing. It's so easy and beautiful. Hope you're seeing it. Wow. So Okay, but the next one, if you want to do the other one, I had wanted to talk is just to draw the lines, only drawing all through without duplicating. Okay, so that was supposed to be the next sorry, that was supposed to be the next design. So let me fill here with white. It doesn't really matter the color, it depends on what you're working with. So but I decided to make this exactly the way I'm seeing it on it, because I'm not working with it right now. You know what this stands for? This icon, this particular icon I just worked on, it stands for web, like your website. When you want to type something and you want to type your addresses, you just use your website. And you know what this one stands for? Like I said in the first place, location. This one, phone number or phone call. This one, email. These are the icons and what they mean. Okay, this one is either for dates or jota, mostly for dates, because it's in as diary and calendar as well. Okay, why this one is for World Wide Web, your address on the internet. Okay, and this one it has to do with you typing at, for instance, tagging where you are at something, it has to do with venue sometimes as well. Okay, and here is a comment, like icon signifying comment. All right, and this one could also serve as phone call or WhatsApp, and then this is your laptop. So these things matters. It depends on what you want to use it for. Okay, like this one is very simple. It's just type at what is in your keyboard and put it, except you want to go and start drawing it. You can do it as well if you want to. Do you like to always draw everything? That's okay. Okay, so that's okay. And then this one is very, very simple, like anybody can do it. So I want to let you know that there is nothing you cannot use this to do on your own. So I'm going to draw this and I'm going to make it curve a bit, and I will draw this also. Okay, and I'll combine it. Good. Okay, double it and double it. Okay, and I'll fill this with white, and I'll come over here, double it. Shift page down, and here we are. I hope you understood what happened. Okay, so I'm going to double this shape here. Okay, here we are. Remains only how many to go? So these shapes are very, very simple. You need to try them out. You really need to. So Okay, so okay, here is black, here is white. Shift page down. Okay, and I'll duplicate this as well. Shift page down also for me to see the beauty of my work. We are almost done. We are almost done, and here we are. I'm drawing this for the last time. So I'm going to fill the two of them color. You don't mind. Okay, let me shape it well. I'm going to fill this and I'll remove the outline. Okay, I'll do same here. Okay, the outline should be white right now. So we've come to the end of this video. I hope you've learned how I designed them, the way I made those icons. So here are the icons I made for this video. Okay, these ones, remember I didn't make that of location because I did it in my previous video. So if you want to know, watch that video, iconography part 1. Okay, so that is that. These are the things I make today. So I want you to try them out on your own, right? So after trying them out, you could also try these ones. In fact, these ones are your assignment. Try these ones. I know you can. Very, very simple, beautiful icon. I know you will. Yeah, it's just very, very easy to do. Okay, so thank you for joining, and I hope you're going to watch my other videos. Watch all the videos on my YouTube channel and the ones I'm about to post. Please turn on the bell notification so that you get notified each time. You'll be the first person to know each time I post new videos. These videos are for free of charge. These are knowledge that are being given to you at no cost. So try out to come out and then watch them and practice what you watch. I'm going to post video on graphic design soonest, not just on icons, drawing icons. I mean graphic design. You're going to love it. So do this for me, share it out, comment, let me know the next video you would want me to do. Okay, love you, thank you for standing by. Bye.